Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be discussing getting accepted for merch by Amazon using KDP. This strategy got me accepted in 6 days, and if you already have a KDP account then it's something that you might be interested in. So sit back and watch this full video. This video is going to be split up into 3 parts. The first, I'm going to talk about what is merch by Amazon. The second, why try it. And third, how I got accepted using KDP. So you'll see the timestamps below to skip to the part that you want. Merch by Amazon is a print-on-demand service that allows sellers to create and list merch on Amazon. It includes t-shirts, tank top, sweatshirts, hoodies, pop sockets, phone cases, and much more. One of the best things about this service is that there are no upfront costs, so you don't have to worry about inventory risks, which does mean anyone can start this, and you earn royalties for each sale. So Amazon also deals with all the customer service, and all the little things that you have to worry about are in Amazon's hands, which also means that you can take advantage of Amazon's large customer client base and massive daily traffic as well in order to reach as many sellers worldwide. But just be aware, it is a service that you have to apply for, and once accepted, the merch by Amazon works via a tiered system. So you start off on tier 10 and you have to make 10 sales to move order to the next tier, so that's 25, and then tier 100, after this tier 500, and so on. So this is definitely not a get rich quick scheme. It does take time, but your results will compound over time. So being in the higher tiers will allow you to create more products, which essentially allow you a bigger chance to make more sales. So once you have signed in, then this is the next screen that you'll see. So you can just read through all of the information and make sure you have it prepared and ready. Then click begin application. And once you've done this, you'll see the next screen with all the information that you have to fill in. So then just state what country or region that you're in. And after this, then just put down your business name. So if you have maybe a certain name for your print-on-demand business, you can put this down. Or if not, then that's fine. You can just put your own name in there and fill in the rest of the details. And then once you have done that, you can also fill in your bank details as well. And then finally, after this, just your tax status. So this is one of the reasons why I talked about the benefit of having a KDP account, because if you already have one, then they will already have all this information filled in for you, which I think is a good thing, as they are already aware of who you are, so you don't have to fill all this information in. So you can just click on complete the tax information and it'll basically already have been all done for you. And then after this, you just keep on scrolling and then it will take you on to the next page. I've also linked another really good video by Passive Owl on how to get accepted by merch by Amazon, so you can take a look at that if in case you haven't got all this information to fill in, and this video will be able to guide you through it, so just take a look at it in the description. So this is the final part of the application, and it's just the sign up form. So here you really want to take time to make sure that you get everything right, that your grammar is correct, and that you've been able to add as much detail as possible. So to start off with the industry type, what I put down was novelty t-shirt business. Then in the organization name, I just put my first name and surname down. But if you have a specific print on demand business name, you can put that down also. So now for the additional information, I'm just going to go over this in 5 different points that were really useful towards my application. And the first I'm going to talk about is familiarity. So in the first sentence, I just talked about I have been buying products with Amazon for many years, and I really enjoy using the Prime service. So the important thing with this is, just like a job interview, it is important that you have an active interest in the company. This shows that you already have an active involvement in the business, that use their services, and that you do actually care about the business, and it's not just about making money for you. The next area I feel is important to talk about is your background. So here you can mention how long that you've been designing for, maybe any qualifications that you have, or anything else that just may be interesting. The next thing is to add on to this is your print on demand experience as well. So in this video, as I said, is specifically for those who have a KDP account. So that's why it's important to mention how long you've been using the Amazon KDP platform for. Mention that you have been able to sell books across different markets as well. So this shows that you're already providing value to Amazon, that you're already able to sell books. So essentially you can do the same with t-shirts as well, and just add on also any other print on demand experience that you have as well. So if you've been selling on other platforms, maybe Redbubble, Teespring as well, also talk about this. So this adds to your value as well, as you're able to sell on many other different platforms, and you can just add so much value to Amazon. Mention the terms of service. Just make sure that you mention that you've read through these and you will follow the rules as well. So it is important to let Amazon know that you're not going to be one of these people who are going to be copying others' designs or going after trademarked designs, that you're going to follow the rules and you're going to give them as easy a time as possible. And then finally mention that you have designs ready to upload, and this shows Amazon that you are prepared, that you are ready to upload as soon as possible. So you're not somebody that's going to be quite hesitant or slow, but that you're ready to take action. Now the final step is where it says website optional. What I did here was to link one of my successful brands. So all I did was I went onto Amazon and selected one of my brands that are doing well, getting sales, and just have a couple of reviews, and simply copied the link and pasted it where the website option is, and just put it there. So this allows Amazon to already see some of my listings that are on its website currently. It gives them an idea of what I'm already doing, so they can see my descriptions, they can see my keywords, they already have all of this information. And as I said before, if these books are already selling well, then there is no reason that I can't provide that same value doing t-shirts as well. So this is just an alternative strategy. It's something that I just thought to try. I know a lot of people don't get accepted onto the Merch by Amazon program, but this is something different to try. If you do have a KDP account and you do have books that are selling well, then just give this a try. Now, the approval process may vary. Mine took about 6 days before I was sent an email to say that I was approved. But even if you're not successful, it is not the end of the world. You can reapply again, and I have linked Passive Owl's video below, which was really useful. I kind of based my additional information when doing my application. So as I said, if it doesn't work, take a look at that video and then try what he has said. Also, if this video has been helpful, then please like, comment and subscribe, and really thanks for taking the time to watch this.